Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, if you are a long-term trader, stay with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, 30 minutes, depending on your trading style and the timelines, you're going to find them down in the description of that video. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family. So, as you see, the Bitcoin was it done today here. After yesterday, we thought we are breaking here. Now today it came that red candle here. It's showing that the market maybe is going to fall down. And I'm going to tell you why that's happening today. Well, God data is going to tell us why that's happening here. I want to show you something here. Why here it hasn't break yet. Let me show you why. Because if you came here and you're looking with me here at that level here, that one as we said before, you see it or not? That way me I told you to draw a square, not to draw a line. As you see it, we haven't break it yet. Now, either from here is going to test and to go back above, or from here is going to go back down. And I got something else for you, people they being with us. Look with us here. You see it or not? You got here a head and shoulder. The neckline where it is. Look with me. Here, that's the neckline. It's need that one to be broken, but if it's breaking here, we are going to go more higher. You can even draw in now here a trend line like that. It's going to be very sharp, but it's okay. We can draw it like that. Or you can even draw in here a symmetric triangle like that, and you waiting. If it's breaking down here, you can enter short again. So here, what is it, the view here in that level where we are? Let me show you. Here in that level, the Bitcoin, he tried to give us here another high, but he couldn't break that last high here. But there is no power to break here. Yes or no? And us, the last Friday, what else we said here in that two levels here? You remember them or not? We draw in two levels here and here. By the way, that two levels of the options, people that trade in Bitcoin options, we said over here is the majority of the calls and over here is the majority of the put. So those people here, if the Bitcoin close the week here, they are going to collect in premium. That's why those people, they doing that. And if you remember other Friday, we used to have it here. Those people from here, they buying Bitcoin. Over here, they will close in what they enter in. So till now, all that it's showing us we are still in a healthy mood of the Bitcoin. Yes, it happened that candle here, but till now it's showing us we still in a healthy mood. I showed you yesterday in the yesterday video, we got there a divergence. You can go back and watch it. I think picture is too clear here. Now let me show you why that candle happened in here. Let's go into see it why. Over here, what me I told you yesterday in yesterday video. I told you that one here, that PPI, that what the Fed they're looking at. They're looking at that one. And that one it came above then accepted. Because them they used to be the target for January to be 5.4%. It came, now it becomes 6%. Even that one is very bad. Another thing, what is it? Is that one. Initial jobless claim. Even that one, it came very, 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 very bad. For the Fed, I'm talking about the Fed. Because people, they don't losing the job. That's what the Fed want. The Fed want the unemployment rate to reach to between 4% till 5%. And over here, it's showing them they are not losing the job of them. That's what the Fed they want. And here, and who make everything very worse today is that one. Let me show you why. That one. You see it? That one, he said, is a Fed member. He said 50 basis point hike. It's still on the table. Who is that person? Let me show you who is it. Federal Reserve of St. Louis President James said Tuesday he wasn't in favor of the Fed downshifting to smaller rate hike. That's what me I told you. Not the first thing. That one is the most thing will make the market to fall down. Because that meant the Fed members till now they want to tight more and to hike interest rate more than what is it now. That's the bigger problem here. Now let's going back to see the coming news for today. For today we don't got any special news. The only thing we got here is our friend here. What else we said about that one? Look at it. All US stocks they close in red today because of that two things. The PPI, the jobless claim, and that Fed member James, what he said. Because the data is showing the Fed what he done, it's not right. It needs more work from Federal Reserve to lower inflation. And that's what me been telling you. I told you the PPI, that's what the Fed is looking at. It doesn't look at the CPI, also we're waiting. That way you see it, the market is falling down. Another thing here, that one also we're looking at it every day. The VIX, what it's telling us. Yesterday we used to be 18. Look at it, how much it go up today. Plus 10%. That's why you see the Bitcoin it started falling because of that two news. Because Bitcoin now is very correlated to your stock market. I think I explained everything to you now. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here is only for swing trading. You need to remember that. Here what else we said here. I told you either the Bitcoin is going to fall down to test here. Yesterday, I tell it to you for 30 minutes. I told you either to give us here a price action, then after that, us we will enter long again, or another scenario. If it doesn't give you here a price action, it will go back and break in the high here. But over here, a lot of people they taking profit here. Yes, now it's showing here as if the market is going to give us here a pin bar. Should you enter long? Should you enter short? No, my friend, there is nothing yet. All still now we're still in a manipulated market now. Look at it. He tried to give us here like a up channel here. Look at it. Let me show it to you like that. You see it or no? It's a flag. If you came from down like that and you do it, that's a flag. That one either to break up here or either to fall down and to break down here. For us to enter from here till down here, we need a smaller price action here. Let me show you that flag for picture to get more clearer to you. Look with me here. What I'm going to do now. You came here to that one, to those dots here, and you do it like that. And you came here and you do it like that. You see that flag, how it is or not? Now we got here a flag. Either that one to come to break higher here, or we got to go more higher, or it's going to come and to break lower here. That means it's going to fall down more. Till now, us we got a divergence in the daily and here in the 4 hours. Till now, us we got here a divergence. The divergence is indicating there is something not right. Maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down. Should we enter short now? No, my friend, you don't need to enter short now. Till now, us we still waiting. Either a price action to happen here to tell us we need to enter short, or another scenario that want to go back up and to break for us that last high here and you can enter long again. And the third scenario that want to come to break here. Look with me here. I would draw it to come here and to break lower here. You enter short again. Don't follow other people. They telling you that just a trap, that just a blah blah. No one know exactly where is the Bitcoin going. If there is those big wells, they don't know exactly where is the Bitcoin going. Also, we're analyzing for you here day by day. That's why us we are highly accurate like that, because we analyze day by day, and that's our job. That's what us we doing. I think picture is too clear here. So now what should you do here? You waiting either the break from here to go back to break up here, and you can enter long for people they haven't entered again, or another scenario that want to come to break lower here, you enter short, or the third scenario that one here to give you here a price action here in that place. Then also we're going to come back to you in another video. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see our indicators, what they saying here. Our indicator, as you see, that the divergence me I'm talking about. Look here and look here, and you don't got it only here, you got it even in the daily. That divergence here, you got it even in the daily. You see it or no? What should you do now? Should you enter short? If it came and break it lower here, or give us here a price action, that's the right time for us to enter short. Till now there is no entry short, and we got it even in the daily. Let me show it to you in the daily. Look at it here in the daily. You see it or no? You got a divergence. So even that one you need to be worried about it. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, it enter here to the overbought area. So technically now you need to look in for short. For us to enter short, what we need? A price action. It's need the market to give us here a price action. Or if it doesn't give us here a price action, it's need to come to break that low here. It's need to come to break that low here. That one here. Then also we're going to enter short again. Till now there is nothing to do. You are in a very stronger level. And in the last video I told you it's going to come to test here, that level here, and that's what it's doing. It came to test it now. Now let's see if that level here, because that one it used to be here, and resistance is getting broke. Let's see if it's going to become here as support. Then after that, the market is going to go higher and to break for us the last high. That you can enter long again. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. For pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. That one here I haven't analyzed it for you, but look at it. It give you here a very clear double top here in 30 minutes. So when it's breaking here, we'll have you enter short. Go down here. And here in 30 minutes, the last video, watch me, I told you. Last video, what did I said? I told you got here a level here. A very stronger level like that. I told you the Bitcoin is going to come back to touch it here. Then after that, also we're going to wait in the break to happen to the last high for us to enter long again. Did it break? No, my friend, it hasn't. Actually, that level, me, I think I make it here. Yes, I make it here. We make it that level like that yesterday also. Did it break here? It doesn't hold that level here. It's break more. Now, either that one is going to go down till here, till the 200 moving average, or from here, you're going to see it going back upward, because even as I show you in the 4 hours, you is still in a very stronger level. All of it, that one is a very stronger level in the 4 hours and the daily. And now here what we got here in that level, what you got here, look with me here how I'm going to draw it. You got here a up trend line. For people they haven't entered, if that one came here and break a lower here and breaking the 200 moving average, you can enter short again. For another scenario, that one either is going to come till here to touch that one here, then after that to go back up, or is going to give you here a price action indicating the market is going to go more higher. So till now here in 30 minutes, try to find a price action to enter long. If there is no price action here, the market, if it done like that and breaking for you the last high here, you can enter long again. I'm going to tell you why. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. From yesterday, that's what us we've been saying. Being telling you it need to give us here a price action. And now it give us here a price action. Well, that you enter here because I haven't analyzed for you after the European market close. When it give you here the double top here, when it's breaking the neckline, we'll have you enter short. It's going to go till the 200 moving average here. For that one to enter here at the oversold area. For you to enter long or short, look with me. You came down to those peaks, that one, and that one, and you waiting either the market to come here to that one, then after that to go back up, or the market to come here and to give you here a price action here, then after that to go back up, that you can enter long. For the short, the same thing. If that one came and break it here, that level and breaking the 200 moving average, you enter with it short. Forget about that indicator. Picture is too clear? So now let me summarize everything for you now. What else we said here in 30 minutes? Here in 30 minutes, what we said. Even if we zoom it like that. What else we said? We said you see that peak, that one and that one. You came, you connecting them like that by a line. Like that. Or you can even make it like that. So also we're connecting that one, and that one. 3 places. So is it a stronger trend? If that one came and touch here, remember that. Where me I told you, I'm talking about the future, not yet. Either from the 200 moving average to give you here a price action, then after that to go back up and to break the last high, which is here, or another scenario. And that one, what me I think is going to happen, that one it will come and break a lower here and breaking the 200 moving average. What should you do? You enter short again. Remember that if it came and breaking here, you enter short. I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you in another video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.